On May 30th, approximately 6 o'clock p.m., a death in the WrestleCrap radio family occurred.
A death in the family, indeed. Stewart Patrick.
I guess maybe we should have known better than to invite him to the WrestleCrap roast, knowing the black cloud that hovers over all our TNT correspondents.
It's not right. It's not right. Moment of silence.
You're just going to have to buy the fucking roast DVD. How's that for a deal? Speaking of things that happen in the roast, one man died.
Actually, before you go any further, I just need to mention something. Please buy a copy of the roast DVD, people, so we can buy a rope to drop down in the pit so that Blade Braxton can get out of whatever pit or cave that he is in this week.
I'm in the middle of, right now I've worked 40 straight hours at a job site.
In Mammoth Cave, apparently.
No, I'm actually outside right now. This is like the Back to Nature episode of WrestleCrap Radio.
Wait.
I'm outside with a bunch of fucking centipedes. Did I ever tell you about the time Don got stung by a centipede at Hooters? That's a story for another.
What do you mean it's a story for another time? We got the Don Mason music at the ready.
Nah. I like to keep people in suspense. We're going to talk about Don. We need to talk about those wicked dance moves he unleashed. If no one has seen it yet, because the last you gave like a 30-second update. Which, by the way, I just want to tell everybody at WrestleCrapRadio.com, that was not technically an episode.
Episode 999 is the number I put on it.
This is episode 177 deal. We're only 23 episodes away from 200. Mm-hmm. That's besides the point.
I like to think that over the next 23 episodes, you'll keep getting further and further out into nature. Perhaps you would be like at the Grand Canyon. And you would sound more echoey, or perhaps Niagara Falls.
I'm sitting here on a porch, elevated porch up in the air.
I see.
You can see what I'm looking at. Just go to tinyurl.com, Blade on a porch.
There was more sadness at the roast.
Mike Check is apparently alive now.
I got the sad news music going. For the return of Mike Check. Lord Alfred, if you please.
Promotional consideration paid for by the following.
Yard Stripes. Fruit stripe gum. 4 fruity, juicy flavors. Share, dare, chew it, blow it. It's Yard Stripes. Fruit Stripes regular and bubble gum.
That's great. What did he say? Share it, dare it, chew it, blow it?
The phone.
I don't think it's the answer to that. What if it's fucking Mike Check?
I'll just let the answering machine get that one. That's right. RD did get away for a while. Went to Star Wars weekends down at Disney Hollywood Studios, Florida. And they do crossover stuff. So they'll have like Mickey Mouse dressed up as a Jedi Knight.
Minnie Mouse dressed up in Leia's slave bikini.
She was not in her slave outfit, but she was wearing the cinnamon rolls on the side of her head. Goofy dressed up as Darth Vader. Donald Duck as Han Solo. You know it was really awesome?
Jake Lloyd Jr. was there?
Jake Lloyd Jr. was not there.
I'm Jack Lloyd Jr. I got a question for you real quick.
Oh, what do you have?
Mr. Dragon's fire chips. We've got Doritos to talk about. Oh, a centipede is crawling on my back.
Too bad it's not a video podcast.
From the base of Mount Fuji, this dragon, a symbol of luck, has brought Doritos one of Japan's most intense flavors. Let's see how intense they all feel.
Okay.
And they're not very good. Oh.
Baby Troll is fired up. Oh, and how about this? Jackie Gata. It's Jackie Gata who's pumped out a kid. Question of the week this week comes from Paul, who writes, Dear RDN Blade, do you know the specific location? And then in parentheses, it says, street address. Of the McDonald's that Ken Patera threw the boulder through the window of.
Brian Danielson. Work or shoot, they asked again. Shoot! He needs work now.